Cars are fantastic machines, marvels of modern engineering. They can get you from point A to point B with relative ease, navigating through various terrains and conditions. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes them tick, what goes on under the hood? One crucial component is the gearbox, a complex yet essential part of the vehicle. It's the unsung hero of your car, working tirelessly to ensure smooth operation. Without it, you'd be stuck, unable to move forward or backward. Gearboxes exist for one simple reason. Engines have a limited operating range, just like any other machine. Think of it like a human heart rate, which needs to stay within a certain range. Too low and you're dead, unable to function. Too high and you're having a heart attack, risking severe damage. Engines need to stay within a specific RPM range for optimal performance and fuel efficiency, much like maintaining a healthy heart rate. This is where the gearbox comes in, playing a vital role in the car's operation. It acts as a sort of mechanical translator between the engine and the wheels, ensuring they work in harmony. It allows the engine to stay in its happy place, while the car accelerates, cruises, or climbs hills, adapting to different driving conditions. Different gears provide different ratios of engine speed to wheel speed, making sure the car performs efficiently at all times. So, we've established that gearboxes are vital components in any vehicle, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery from the engine to the wheels. But did you know that they come in different flavors, each offering a unique driving experience? Oh yes, just like your favorite ice cream, gearboxes have their own varieties to suit different tastes and preferences. Let's break down the most common types. Manual, iMT, AMT, and fully automatic, each with its own set of characteristics. Manual transmissions, the purest choice, require you to shift gears yourself using a clutch pedal and a stick shift. It's a more engaging and hands-on experience. It's like a dance between your hands and feet, offering a direct connection to the car. iMT, or intelligent manual transmission, is like manual's less demanding cousin, providing a similar feel without the need for a clutch pedal. It ditches the clutch pedal but still lets you shift gears manually, making it a convenient option for those who enjoy control. Then we have AMT, or automated manual transmission, which combines the best of both worlds. This one tries to be clever by automatically changing gears for you using an electronic system, offering convenience without sacrificing too much control. Finally, we have the fully automatic transmission, the king of convenience, perfect for those who prefer a hassle-free driving experience. It does all the heavy lifting, shifting gears seamlessly without any input from you, allowing you to focus entirely on the road ahead. Each type of transmission has its own set of pros and cons, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Manual transmissions offer the most control and engagement, making them a favorite among driving enthusiasts. You're in the driver's seat, literally with every shift and turn under your command. They're also generally the most fuel efficient and cheapest to maintain, saving you money in the long run. However, they require skill and can be tiring in heavy traffic, where constant shifting becomes a chore. iMT offers a middle ground, blending manual control with automated ease. It's easier to use than a manual in traffic, but it lacks the same level of engagement and connection with the vehicle. AMT aims for convenience, but can be jerky and less refined than a full automatic, which might affect your driving experience. Fully automatic transmissions are the epitome of smooth sailing, offering a seamless driving experience. They take care of everything, making them ideal for city driving and long journeys where comfort is key. But they can be expensive to maintain and may not be as fuel efficient as other options, so consider your priorities. So, which transmission is right for you? Well, it depends. Are you a driving enthusiast who craves control and engagement? Manual might be your jam. Do you want a balance of convenience and control without breaking the bank? iMT could be a good shout. Is hassle-free driving your top priority and you don't mind paying a premium for it? Fully automatic it is. AMT? Well, let's just say there are better options out there. Ultimately, the best transmission for you depends on your driving needs, budget, and personal preferences. Now, go forth and choose wisely.